Hello everyone, welcome to Kickstart, and now we will write a program to check whether a given number is divisible by 2 and 3 but not divisible by 5. So let's start. Now we will start by declaring a variable, that is n number that will be provided by the user. Now we will ask our user to enter a number, enter a number. Now we'll store the entered number in our variable n. Now we will use the modulo operator to determine if the given number n will be divisible by particular number such as 2 or 3. So for example, what modulo operator do is it returns the remainder of our operation. So for example, if suppose n modulo 2 is equal to 0, then the number is divisible by 2, and if n modulo 5 is not equal to 0, then it is not divisible by 5. So we will use this. So we will use if else statement. So if n modulo 2 is equal to 0, and operation and n modulo 3 is equal to 0 and n modulo 5 is not equal to 0, then we can say that the given condition is satisfied. So if this condition is true, then we will print cout the given number that is n is divisible by 2 and 3 but not by 5, and then else we'll print the given condition is not applicable. Now let's run the code. Enter number, say 36. The given number 36 is divisible by 2 and 3 but not by 5. Thank you.